Asurion TV Protection Plan features, strengths, weaknesses. Asurion's TV Protection Plan offers coverage for failures due to normal wear and tear, mechanical and electrical breakdowns, power surges, and even accidental damage from handling, which is a significant differentiator from many manufacturer warranties. Key features include nationwide service, no deductibles, and options for either repair or replacement if the TV can't be fixed. This plan is ideally suited for individuals or families who want comprehensive protection beyond the manufacturer's warranty, especially those with young children or pets who might accidentally damage the TV. Now, let's examine the strengths. A major pro is the comprehensive coverage, including accidental damage, giving peace of mind against unforeseen incidents. The lack of deductibles is another advantage, as you won't have out-of-pocket expenses beyond the plan's cost when filing a claim. The nationwide service network ensures convenient access to qualified technicians for repairs. However, there are also weaknesses to consider. The plan's cost can be relatively high compared to other extended warranties, or simply self-insuring for potential repairs. Coverage usually begins after the manufacturer's warranty expires, meaning there's overlap where you're paying for redundant protection. Furthermore, some user reviews mention challenges in the claim process, citing potential delays or difficulties in getting repairs approved. Eligibility also varies depending on the age and condition of your television, so pre-existing conditions are never covered. Before purchasing, carefully weigh the cost of the plan against the likelihood of needing repairs or replacements. Consider the TV's age, its environment, high traffic area, and your personal risk tolerance. Evaluate alternative options like extended warranties from retailers or your credit card's purchase protection benefits, as these may offer similar coverage at a lower price point. Also, thoroughly read the terms and conditions of the Asurion plan to understand exactly what is covered and excluded, along with the claims process. In conclusion, the Asurion TV Protection Plan offers comprehensive protection with no deductibles, making it attractive for those seeking peace of mind. However, the higher cost and potential claims process challenges require careful consideration. Make sure to compare its features and price against alternative options to determine if it's the right fit for your individual needs and risk assessment.